Hi, Knights!
Welcome to UCF.
My name is Josie Matos, and I'm a fourth-year chemistry major.
My name is Paige, and I'm a third-year biomedical science major.
My name is Christina, and I'm a second-year biology major.
My name is Haley St. Hilaire, and I'm a second-year computer science major.
My name is Yvonne Marrero, and I'm a third-year student here studying biomedical sciences.
I'm Emily Mandinella. I'm a second-year forensic science student.
My name is Eva Macias, and I am a second-year biology major.
My name is Reese Lasha, and I'm a second-year physics major on the astronomy track.
My name is Rihan Abdul Mahmoud, and I'm a second-year biomedical sciences and sociology double major.
My name is Melania Kerrigan, and I'm a fourth-year civil engineering student.
My name is Nicholas Corridor, and I'm a third-year industrial engineering major.
My name is Miranda Valbuena, and I am in my fourth year of being a mechanical engineering major.
My name is Brooklyn, and I'm a second-year industrial engineering major.
My name is Aliana Jansen, and I am a second-year forensic science major.
My name is Casey Ramsey, and I am a fourth-year mechanical engineering major.
My name is William Castillo, and I'm going to be a second-year aerospace engineering major.
My name is Mary Elizabeth Harden, and I'm a second-year aerospace engineering major.
My name is Mila Knickerbocker, and I'm a fourth-year computer science major.
My name is Mia, and I am a second-year mechanical engineering major.
My name is Jade Parker, and I'm a fourth-year civil engineering student.
My name is Sila Pearl, and I am a second-year aerospace engineering major.
My name is Isabella Pavanelli, and I'm a second-year mechanical engineering major.
My name's Elise Myers. I'm a second-year molecular microbiology major.
I'm Sam Cinderella, and I'm a fourth-year civil engineering student.
I am Leilani Jones, a junior majoring in botanic science and engineering.
My name is Mackenzie Hall, and I am a second-year civil engineering major.
My name is Renee Boeto, and I'm a third-year biomedical sciences major.
Hi, I'm Haley Santorelli. I'm a third-year civil engineering major, and I am going to be your lead GEMS mentor.
When I first joined Excel, I didn't know what to expect, but I quickly realized after orientation. They helped me choose my classes, and they even put me in a math class that had a professor picked by them to ensure our success.
Excel let me have access to smaller math courses, which led to me having a better relationship with both my professors and peers, so I knew I had extra support along the way in order to succeed in my courses.
As an Excel student, you get access to dedicated math support, tutoring, and a strong academic community. For me, the biggest benefit was building a network of STEM students I could rely on.
Being in a STEM major with nowhere to seek help can get difficult. Once I came onto campus and saw all of what Excel had to offer, I was so happy I joined it. All of my friends I've met through Excel, and every single time I needed help, I just went to the Excel Center, and the tutors were happy to help me.
This space has resources such as whiteboards, charging ports, and tutors who are there to help you in STEM subjects.
I was able to meet with classmates, tutors, and students that had previously taken the course before and kind of work on homework assignments together, practice problems, gain any advice for the next exam, and it really set me up for success in that course.
My personal favorite perk of being in the Excel program is sharing classes with fellow STEM majors and Excel students, as well as the opportunity to take part in specialized programs like GEMS mentoring.
In the GEMS program, you're in a group of a couple of other students that are also of similar major as you are. And that group is run by a mentor who's gone through the same things that you're going to go through and is of similar major.
GEMS is special because it gives you a built-in support network and a mentor who genuinely wants to see you succeed, not just in class, but as a whole person.
UCF felt very different from high school and dual enrollment, and I overall came in pretty introverted. GEMS helped me come out of my shell, and I feel like I belonged.
Taking such a big step is very hard, so having this community around you of people doing the same thing, you guys can uplift each other and make this transition easier.
During my first semester, I was especially nervous, and I was overwhelmed with classes, and I really wanted to make new connections. With this group, I was able to escape the reality of academics for just a moment.
I was once a GEMS mentee who came into UCF really shy and lost, because UCF is such a big place with so much information and opportunities. It felt really difficult to navigate. But with the help of my mentor and the GEMS, I was able to find such a great community and build strong friendships.
We could talk about anything regarding classes, getting help for classes,
selecting professors, talking about research, jobs, and overall networking. And it really helped me figure out the things that I wanted to do, and it helped me find new opportunities that I wasn't aware of before.
I was in the GEMS program previously, and my mentor helped me a lot with checking over my resumes, giving me advice whenever I needed it, and I thought that it was also nice just to be able to know that someone was there.
It's so nice just to be able to go to an ear to listen, and also someone who has the answers to most all of my questions, who's done it before, who's taken the professor that I'm scared to take, who's done this class, knows when to take it, who to take it with, what the workload's gonna look like, and could give you practical advice.
Because of GEMS, I feel more confident asking questions, getting involved, and staying focused on my goals. I still reach out to my mentor whenever I need help or just to talk something through, and having that ongoing relationship has been one of the most meaningful parts of my STEM journey.
Welcome to GEMS.
Go Knights and charge on!